Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is our living room makeover. So this is just a little bit of the before clip. We had carpet with some 9-inch dark tile in our entryway. We had this couch for almost 10 years, and that coffee table I actually chalk painted, which was one of my very first YouTube videos. And last summer we replaced all of our flooring with luxury vinyl plank, which you will see here shortly. I do also have a whole video dedicated to that process. So this clip here was from about a year and a half ago when I very first started my YouTube channel. Clearing out the house, getting ready for the flooring. Cleaned out this whole closet. Empty this. Clearing out the clutter. So we are in the process of clearing out all of downstairs.
Let me say hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi. Just moving everything to the garage so that way the floor's all free and clear for the demo. Okay, so today is Thursday and we were able to move back all the furniture into the house last night. And all that's left is just to put all the decor back on the walls. Now that the flooring was all done and the furniture moved back in, this is what it looked like for a while until we got some different furniture in our family room. In the meantime, my husband found a really good deal on a projector, so he built this big home theater screen for a really good deal, getting all the parts and pieces from Amazon. And then I was also able to chalk paint this little end table. It took me a while, but I finally got to it so that it would match the coffee table. I've chalk painted several pieces in my house. It's such an easy way and an expensive way to redo your furniture. This chalk paint here that I was using, I actually liked better than the other chalk paint that I used to paint my coffee table. This was a brand I got from Walmart called Waverly. It's really affordable. I think I paid $8 for this, and you want to finish it off with like a wax coat, which I actually haven't even done, but here is the completed product. When I was all done, I was really loving it. So then we decided to donate our couch that we had had for a long time, and we did in fact end up selling this dining room table. We also got a new piece from Lowe's, which is right underneath that theater screen there. My husband was really wanting to turn this into a theater room, and it was not very comfortable, so we ended up getting 2 new couches with recliners from American Furniture Warehouse. And then I got this rug from Amazon. This was actually the second rug that we purchased because the first one had a really bad smell to it and it was thin. I just didn't like how it looked in this room. This one also had that chemical smell, but I went ahead and sprinkled it with some baking soda overnight and then vacuumed it up, and the smell went away. So just a tip for you, if you get a rug like that that has that odor, that's something you can do to help take that away. right, that is it for this video, friends. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about any of the stuff in this video, don't hesitate to ask. I will try to leave some links down below to help you out if there's anything that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with me. We are excited to use this room for movies and family nights. See you in the next one. Bye, friends.